everyone, it's Ashley, and today I am attempting to recreate a really popular look that I've seen circulating all around Instagram. But before we get into my attempt, I want to shout out my friends over at Audible for sponsoring this video. I've really been into reading lately, and to make it so much easier, I've been listening to audiobooks on Audible. I have worked with Audible before, so I am listening to a few more books this time around, which those are The Subtle Art of Not Giving a by Mark Manson, The Black Mother of Hollywood by Jennifer Lewis, and We're Going to Need More Wine by Gabrielle Union. Audiobooks are great for any type of activities, whether you are at home, cleaning, lounging around, or you're on the go, you're driving, maybe road tripping. Whatever it is that you're doing, you can take Audible right along with you. And Audible helps you listen to books by letting you switch seamlessly between devices, so you can always pick up where you left off, whether it's your phone, your car, or your tablet. Wherever you can listen to MP3, you can listen to Audible. And you can do so hands-free and eyes-free, technically. My friends over at Audible have been gracious and kind enough to offer every single one of my viewers a free audiobook with a 30-day trial membership. Just go to audible.com/AshleyDevonna and browse their unmatched selection of audiobooks. Then you can download a book for free, start listening, and it really is just that simple. Again, go to audible.com/AshleyDevonna, or you can text Ashley Devonna to 500-500 to get started. And if you're already signed up with Audible, do me a favor and let me know down below in the comment section what audiobooks you are currently listening to, because as soon as I'm done with my books, I would love to hop on over and start reading the books that you guys are listening to and whatever you guys recommend. So, with all that being said, let's go ahead and hop into my recreation attempt, and also let me know down below if you think I was spot on with this recreation or if we need a little bit more work. We'll see. I highly recommend this product if you guys don't have it. This is by Cinema Secret. You can stick like makeup brushes directly into this, or you can put it in like a little bowl, swirl your makeup brushes around, put it in like a paper towel, put it on a paper towel, swirl it around some more. It gets all the product off, cleans your brushes right on off. Hold on, I'm sorry. Okie dokie, so I'm not really sure what look I'm going for today, but I am going to stick my brush into the brush cleaner. This is what it looks like. Swirling it on a paper towel until I don't see any more product on the brush. Yikes. And now this is what it looks like. This is the look that I'm going for. The first order of business is my P. Louise makeup base. I know I'm gonna need quite a bit of this to get this shadow to really stick. So I'm just gonna put this much on my hand, and I'm just going to apply this to my lids. I'm going into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. This one right here. I'm really gonna coat my brush with this one. Okay, so now I have this pink blended out. I'm gonna go into this purple right here. And I'm really swirling my brush into that one. And then after that, I'm probably gonna go into this purple up here. It's like a, well, yeah, it's a purple. So I'm just going to apply this purple a little lower than the pink. These are brushes from Amazon. It's by the brand Quivange. Can y'all see that? Quivange. I'll put it in the description box down below. So I'm doing a lot of packing right now. So when I blend it out, it looks a little something like this paper towel. See how there's like pink around it, and then there's purple, but it's a little bit more concentrated. That's what I want. So I'm gonna take some pink, and I'm just going to use that to blend out the purple. I don't want to lose the pink and I don't want to lose the purple either. And I want it to be really blended and really smoked out. I would like for this pink and purple base to be a little bit more intense, but we're gonna keep it moving. So I'm gonna take my Cinema Secrets makeup remover because I have some black liner on this brush. I'm gonna swirl it around to remove it and dry it off. And then we're gonna dip the brush into a navy blue color, a deep dark blue color. So the navy color that we're gonna be using is again in the 35B palette, and it's this one right here. And then I'm just gonna put this on the inner and the outer corner. And right now I'm just packing this shadow on so that I can blend it out. I don't know guys, I think this is gonna be kind of cute. It's definitely gonna be different and out of my comfort zone. Now I'm gonna take my P. Louise makeup base. This is, I don't know if I told you guys, in the shade Rumor 2. And I'm gonna put quite a bit of this on the back of my hand, like this much. Okay. I'm gonna have to be like really still and focused for this part. I'm gonna use this Ruby Kisses brush. It's their concealer brush. I don't know if you guys could see it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what I'm going for. Okay guys, so I'm just adding some more purple to the outer corner right this second. I'm adding some more blue to the inner and outer corner. Ooh, this looks pretty. So I'm just blending out this outer corner, just really smoking it out. And then coming into the inner corner and just smoking it out just a little bit, just blending it out a little bit. So I'm gonna take my 35B palette again, and I'm gonna go into this green shadow right here. And then we are just going to pack this on to the lids. Everywhere that makeup base is, you want to apply like layers and layers and layers of this shadow. So this is my third layer. Now I'm gonna move on to my other eye and just pack this shadow. So what I'm gonna do now is take the brush that I've been using, dip it into that dark navy blue, and reapply to the outer and the inner corner. Okay guys, so I dipped into my Natasha Denona palette. This is the Tropic palette, and I used this color right here, Limoncello, and just like dabbed it right in the center. I'm gonna go back into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more green to either side, like that matte lime green to either side. Okay guys, the lashes I'm going to be using are these Naturally Sunny lashes. And Naturally Sunny is a YouTuber here on YouTube. These are her lashes. Let me pull it out. These are in the style Brat. So I'm going to cut these to the size of my eyes, glue them on, and yeah, y'all are gonna see how beautiful and fluffy and voluminous these lashes are. I'll have the link in the description box. Congratulations, Sunny! Okay, so I'm actually gonna put the purple underneath my lower lash line. There is some blue already under there. Whoa. But I just don't feel like the purple is like intense enough for me. I'm gonna find that little, not this brush, there was another like little brush. Here it is. This is what I was looking for. I'm gonna take this brush right here. It has a little bit of purple on it, but I think we should be okay. And then I'm gonna go into this blue shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in my tear duct. So like right here. And I'm gonna go in with Most Nominated by Kayla. Most Nominated by K-Lux Cosmetics. And I'm just going to highlight my face a little bit. I'm gonna go onto the tip of my nose, onto the sides of my nose, on top of my lip. So I was looking for my chapstick. If y'all could see my table right now, it is a literal pigsty. Can't find it. Darn it. Oh well. You guys may be tired of a nude lip, but I, however, am not. So I'm going to do a nude lip. This is Midnight Cowgirl by Urban Decay. It's their High Shine lip gloss. Ooh, is this a lip plumper? My goodness. Okay, guys, that is it. Finally, this only took like 12 and a half hours. Not literally, but it takes me forever, especially when I'm doing a new look, especially something like this one. But let me know in the comment section down below if you think that I did a good job recreating this look. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.